Romer.
Team is banning.
To gold lane. To XP lane. Ito lang jungle. George Repato,
The
shoutout.
enemy is picking.
Solo RG.
For honor!
Please pick a hero.
Pick ko na ta.
I do what I want to do.
The enemy is
This
picking.
world shall be mine!
Time and tide wait for no man, nor girl.
Saber, you're all
Your team is
unforgivable.
picking.
Sniper ready.
Iron.
Give me a target.
The
Bones of
enemy is
steel.
picking.
I am Scorpio, devourer of the stars!
Let them play the hero.
Your team
I will be
is
the
picking.
truth this world desperately needs.
I am more than a weapon.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Legend of Mushroom.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
A new world to conquer! Energy Vortex!
Tantox. Tanong ba yan?
Launch attack!
Merciless is my power. Boundless is my ambition.
Mabot pa rin ako. So,
First blood!
nalagay.
Dark Void! What's mine is mine.
Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Dark Void!
You have slain an enemy!
Tan.
Darkness pervades.
Maganda ba? Mas maganda ba? Kita rito sa TikTok. Ay, hindi ko maintindihan tanong mo.
I'm not the forgiving type.
An ally has been slain.
Push po, taragis na nakakabwisit yung mga ganyang tipi-tipi.
My fist. This is but one more. Dark Void!
Launch attack!
Interstellar travelers, galaxy speed!
You have slain an enemy. The enemy has slain the turtle. Thank you.
Jay Duero, Mark Jade Miranda, shout out. Kay Denden Kari,
Be
shout out.
denied. Dark Void!
An ally has been slain.
Evil and
You
double
have
kill.
slain an enemy. Double kill.
your
Malapit ka sa akin,
resistance is
Tukmol.
futile. Face your doom! Once you've tasted the power of the void.
Baka bumalik.
Initiate retreat.
Dark Void!
Launch attack.
No?
Dark Void! Enter Galaxy Speed!
Ay, may dash. Bye-bye. Uy, gagi. Dumaan lang sa kanya. Kala ko sa pool.
This place reeks
Dapat
of
nag-SS to pagka.
Has been slain.
energy.
Ally has been slain.
Face
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Nag-ulti yung gatot. Dapat nag-ulti yung gatot pagka nagsaset si ano, Tigreal. Counter.
The root of all evil lies within.
Launch attack.
Dark Void!
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Ano yung core natin eh. Dapat nag-explain na lang to. Level 6 pa rin. Ay, nakaka... Walang matino, kakampi.
This place reeks of weakness.
Dito yata Gusion. Ay, Hellcourt wala.
Dark Void!
An ally has been slain.
Dun ba?
An enemy has been slain.
Enter Galaxy
Okay.
Speed!
An ally has been slain.
Dark Void! Energy Vortex! Dark Void! Dark Void! Darkness pervades the universe, and so does my domination. Energy Vortex!
Ally has been slain.
Hindi naman yata nag-ano.
Dark Void! Face your doom!
Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy
Hindi yata
has been slain.
nag-agatot. Photo. Experiment na naman pa mga.
Dark Void!
Ult is not ready.
Interstellar travel is time-consuming. Hope it's worth the effort.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Your team destroyed a turret.
Evil and
naman
darkness shall prevail.
Ay, sana dito sana ako, no? Hindi pala yun,
Energy
naka-frozen.
Vortex! Potions?
Ally has been slain.
Technology.
Push ba to? Try natin. Baka mag-push.
Yield or perish. Ha! Energy vortex.
Killing spree. Our turret has been destroyed.
My rule is absolute.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Boy. Merciless is my conquest. Boundless is my ambition. Energy vortex. Dark form.
Alam ko na eh. Magsasat yung Tigreal. Kaya lumayo na ako doon. Malalaman mo din yung mga galawan ng mga hero eh. Kasi ginagaya lang din nila sa iba eh, no?
Dark form. Energy
Launch
vortex.
attack.
Dark form.
Galaxy destroy the turret. Ally has been slain.
Dark form.
Your team destroyed a turret.
I don't have to choose. I take. Dark form.
Mega kill. Request back. Gather up the Lord.
Yung heal ko.
I am
Shut down.
the inevitable. Energy.
Unstoppable.
Go.
An enemy has been slain.
Such primitive technology.
Hindi pala.
Initiate retreat.
Energy vortex. Energy vortex.
Monster kill. You destroyed a turret.
Vortex.
Kaya nga hindi marunong. Kanina nag-SS dito. Wala na siyang kasama eh.
Galaxies have fallen under
Doon
my
pa lang,
fist.
malalaman mo na eh.
This is but one more.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Tremble. Enter galaxy big.
Destroyed a godlike. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been
Tinag
slain.
na burst.
The root of all evil lies
Buti
within.
na lang na burst.
Your team launched an attack.
Sayang. Hindi ako mabante ko.
Legendary.
Si
Victory.
Artates. Shoutout. Si Matt Isaac Mateo. Shoutout sa'yo. Chamba lang. May masyadong ma-elibs. Chamba lang. May mga ganong laro talaga na ano, malakas akong chumamba. JR Tagumase, shoutout. Si CJ Serrano, shoutout. Naabangan ko yung Hellcat ko malun. Bago ako Frozen. Tsamba lang yun. Depende pa rin sa kakampi. Yung performance ng guard. Pang team fight kasi si guard, guys. Basta team fight,
Please ban a hero.
maaasahan mo si guard. Jungle namin. Ay, gabi. Mabad killing.
Your team is banning.
Hindi na uso yung Joy, core.
The enemy is picking.
Magja-Joy pa rin kaya yan.
Hope will
Feeling
find a
pwede.
way,
Roamer to.
even when all is forlorn.
Saber. Pwede na
Time to
rin
drop
Saber.
the beat of the flash.
Hellcart. Minotaur. Ayan. Moskob. Ilan highest points mo last season? Last season, 130 lang. 130. Solo RG. Pero yung highest ko nandyan sa taas ng Hindi ba
The
kita?
enemy is picking.
This world
hindi ba nakikita sa
shall
taas
be
naman?
mine.
Ng screen ko. Highest stars. So yun nasa nakalagay. Kung yun yung hinahanap mo. Pero last season naka 130 stars ako. Solo RG. Kala ko hindi nakikita. Maliit ba? Kasi marami pa rin kasi nagtatanong kung ilan yung highest
Your
stars ko.
team is picking.
Tsaka ilan yung matches ng guard ko. Hindi ba kita? Maliit. So, halos yan. Hindi naman. So, nadala na kasi ako sa pag may mga kasama ako noon dati.
I am vengeance.
Mga lang, siguro, di ba? Nangyari.
The enemy is picking.
Win streak kayo yung araw.
Who's
What's your
next?
command?
Naglaro kayo.
Your team
Hindi kayo
is
magkakilala. Tapos, nag-win streak kayo. 20. Kinabukasan, hindi na win streak. Pero may puro pa, malamang pa rin panalo. Sunod na araw, ganun pa rin. Pagka na-lose streak na, wala na. Ayawan na. Ayoko ng ganun. Mga kasama. Hindi katulad dati nung 5-man kami.
Sanjo.
May oras kaming laro. Kaya lang nag-aayawan kasi medyo na-boring na rin yung mga kasama. Na-boring na sila. Kaya hindi na rin masyado naglalaro. Tapos ganun nangyari. Kaya mas okay, solo na lang. Tsaka minsan hindi na rin pala kasi siguro. Katulad nung mga 2018, 2019 siguro. Pwede mo kasi i-jungle eh. Ngayon kasi wala na. Kailangan mo ng retribution. Pwede pa mag-jungle yung mga mage dati. Kaya lang naman may kasamang. Kasi ako yung jungle. Ganun pa rin naman kung sino yung mga jungle. Sila pa rin naman sinasamahan ngayon. Hindi na kasi effective siguro mag-jungle.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Kaya okay na rin to. Solo.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Meron pa
Conquer.
nag-RG kayo, inaaya ka, tapos biglang lilipat sa ibang team.
Initiate retreat.
Tapos bigla iiwan ka lang. Wala. Solo na lang ako.
First blood.
Malayo eh. Ito.
Well played.
the inevitable.
An enemy has been slain.
Thank you.
Energy
Ano pa build the emblem niya? Eto emblem. Naka Warcry ako. Pwede rin yung Pure Rage. Hindi kayo sanay sa Warcry.
Energy vortex.
Kapag umpisa pa lang kayo mag-Pure Rage na kayo. Hindi mo alam gamitin yung Warcry.
Interstellar travel. Time consuming.
Kasi mauubusan ka ng mana. Ganda sana. Wala lang akong skill. Oh.
Energy
Ally has
vortex.
been slain.
Uuwi yun.
Yield.
Level 3 pa lang pala.
Launch
Sana.
attack.
Build ko ganito lang.
Vortex.
Pero kasi magpaano.
Request
Ayan.
backup.
Enchanted Wishing. Ice Skin mo. Glowing mo. Tsaka Divine Wave.
An ally has slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Bow before your new master.
Slain.
Hindi ako nakatakas dun sa bilog niya.
Enemy has been slain.
Tara na, dodge ko yung first kill.
I
Baka
am
mapatay ko
not
yan, ma'am.
The forgiving type.
An enemy has been slain.
Yung Vixana. Wala siyang flicker.
Energy vortex.
Ako nga, 1,700 matches pa lang kay Edith, pero still. Tagal na kasi ako naglalaro. 2017 pa lang.
Initiate retreat.
Pero iba pa yung gamit ko nun. Ay pala. 2018 ko nilaro si Guard.
Energy vortex.
May gold ba to?
Energy vortex.
Request backup. Ult is not ready. Launch attack. Request
Lakas
backup.
mga ano yun.
Energy vortex.
An enemy has been
Natin
slain.
magbabak yung mga yan eh.
Killing spree.
Walang flicker.
You have slain an enemy. Slain.
Sakto yung stun.
Battle spell in cooldown.
Once you tasted the power of the void.
Ult is not ready.
A small price to pay for
Ally has slain the turtle. Request backup. Okay.
evil and darkness shall
Launch attack. Ally has been slain.
Galaxy B.
You have slain an enemy.
Energy vortex. Energy
Si Lord Touch Me. Salamat din sa'yo.
Enemy double kill.
this place reeks of big.
Launch attack. Killing spree.
Okay, mid kill.
Request backup.
Abot pa ba ako? Wala na.
Our turret has been destroyed. A turret.
Ayan. Yung isa. Umabot ko sa'yo.
Ally has been slain. Shut down.
Pwede, Don, pwede. Kung saan ka komportable. Pwede rin sprint. Kung saan ka komportable.
Initiate retreat.
Pwede rin purify.
I will not
Request
rest
backup.
until this world is mine.
Enemy rampage.
Teka, focus lang ako.
An enemy has been slain.
Darkness pervades the universe, and so does my knowledge.
Launch attack. Enemy unstoppable.
Benji Boom, shout out.
The root of all evil lies within.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Retreat
Kailangan
from
na
the
yata
turtle.
mag-push eh.
Okay.
Dark form! Yield or perish!
An enemy has been slain. Attack the
Bow
turtle.
before
Okay.
your new master. Energy vortex!
An ally has slain the turtle. Enemy double.
Galaxy beam!
Slain an enemy.
You fool! I don't have to choose. I take.
Enemy godlike. An enemy has been slain.
Dark form! The conquest is not yet finished.
MH Dilak, saluta, shout out. Good evening. 11:34 pa lang.
Tremble before me.
Launch attack. Our
Understood.
turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
Dark form!
An enemy has been slain.
1-3, shout out.
Entire galaxies have fallen under my fist. This is but one more.
Launch attack. Enemy legendary.
Interstellar travel is time consuming.
Ally has been
Hope
slain.
it's worth it.
Shut down.
Lord.
Gather at the Lord!
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain.
Dark form!
An enemy has been slain.
Evil and darkness shall prevail. Dark form! Galaxy beam!
Our turret is under attack.
What a meaningless act. Energy
You have been slain.
maggots.
Duplicate ako sana nga. Dex sana.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
I will not rest until this world is mine.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Gather at the Lord!
What's mine is mine.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Dark force! Face your doom!